When your why is big enough, the how will come about. And I've learned a lot about how to listen to the signs, to my guides, to the voices, to the triggers, and embracing and accepting this beautiful journey called life that is teaching us every single moment in our waking and even in our dreaming state. I'm not here to try and sound smarter than what I actually am. I want to be 100% real and honest with you. Everything that we're going to learn, the very reason I'm here even teaching you this series, is all a calling for me. It's like taking all of my life lessons and all of the things that I am proud to be masterful of and packaging it up for you to absorb. What kind of things we're going to unpack? Well, firstly, it all starts with the mind. Mindset, is something that is at the forefront and at the foresight of everything. It's our thoughts, our habits, our perception of reality, and it's our consciousness compass that leads us to every variable, every step that's along our way. They've made a decision or they've made a realization that something in their life needs to change. And where there's challenge, there is change. And the only constant that is true is change. You're going to get pulled back in such a way that the resistance of not allowing yourself to grow when your intuition and guidance is telling you to is far more painful than what you're going to be able to break through and achieve and accomplish if you just persist through perceived pain in the moment and go after what it truly is that your heart desires.